What's up, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Uptakes podcast. With me are Mark, Jamo, and Robbie. And today we have a special episode for all of you. We have news coming out on the FIBA front on our men's national basketball team. Finally, our former Fighting Maroon Kenton Meliora
Yes.
Brown, 6'10" big, has been ruled as a local by the FIBA, no?
Let's
And this was due to
go.
his own efforts with the help of his lawyers. And finally, makakalaro siya sa ating Gilas Pilipinas basketball team as a local. Hindi po siya i-consider na naturalized. QMB, Q is 25 years old and he has his prime years ahead of him and we're all excited to see him play for our national team. Any initial comments? I think nakikita ko si Jamo parang ready na and
Ah,
raring to see our big play for the national team.
this is big. Really big for the national team, especially ngayon na si Kai Soto is injured. 'Di ba? He's recovering from injury, parang expected pa ata natin siya February. We have Guam coming up. Mga
Yeah, yung
kalaban natin
FIBA World Cup
oo, for
November.
for the World Cup November and December, right?
Yeah.
If I remember correctly.
Teka, Q as a local na, no?
Yes,
So,
correct.
naglalaro tayo with two FSAs?
We had two FSAs all along.
Wala ka?
Charot.
FSA daw. Dalawa daw FSA natin last season. What the fuck?
Anong masasabi niyo doon?
Well,
Sino mo
that's
nag-comment
just
na yun?
that's just one of the stupidest comments na nakita natin nung nung
Congrats
medyo
ko na naman sila sa
questionable pa yung
silver.
status ni QMB as a local. Pero
Ang gulo-gulo, hindi ko na maintindihan. Congrats again ha, nag-silver kayo last year. Ano ba? Happy, very happy for Q. Obviously, this is a dream that he has ever since being asked, obviously. Isa sa mga pangarap niya really is to wear the country's colors and play internationally under the Philippine flag. So, all the best to Q, alam mo yon, cannot happen to a more worthy and deserving young man. He's a very very nice kid and I'm sure mas marami mga titos and titas manonood ng Gilas games just because Q will be there. So I'm sure, alam mo yon, hopefully, alam mo, they're gonna make room for him at hindi lang to click and bait, alam mo yon, na nag-local nga pero hindi naman ipapasok, kunyari pa tayo, diba? Pero I think naman from SBP yata last night, 'di ba, did announce na local na nga sila na mismo nakakuha ng message yata from FIBA.
Yeah.
And mukha yata the management and
oo.
Coach Tim Cohn is welcoming Q with open arms. Obviously, welcome addition given obviously that we do have aging bigs in the team na malapit na. Actually, si Japet nga yata is dapat
Oo.
retired na rin yata sa Gilas.
Matagal na
So
niya
this
gusto
will be
mag-retire actually.
welcome reliever, young, alam mo yun, agile, very very talented with the high basketball IQ. Great
I
addition
mean,
for the
it's
Gilas
high
national.
time din na, they gave honor to our country, di ba? Time na rin na makapagpahinga rin sila.
Yes, sila ni Junmar.
Oo.
They're in their late 30s. Parang pa 40 na yata si Japet, if I'm not mistaken.
Talaga?
So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yun
pa
na
40 na siya.
tatanda.
Student, kung UP student siya, I think ang student number niya ay 04. So,
Putik.
nasa late
Yeah.
30s na siya. I think.
04
Ano
ako
na sa
eh.
dulo ng 30s. Ayun na nga. So, kung mga 30, ayun. I think yun na yun. Mawala
Siguro
ang
nga,
age niya.
ganun na nga.
So, yun.
Kinikilig ako pag nilalabas yung news article sa sinasabi nila as a reference on who Q is. Q is a former Fighting Maroon.
Yes.
Kakilig. We
Yeah.
have two Fighting Maroons in the national team, which is a
Mhm.
great honor. So, sobrang happy.
Yes.
with that,
And he'll
no?
be bringing that yung championship experience niya with us, he'll be bringing that to the team, no? We have two Fighting Maroon champions now who are Gilas eligible. Of course, Carl Tamayos already there, and
Mhm.
now we can get to see kasi hindi sila nagsabay sa UP eh. So now we have a chance to see no if palalaroin sila hopefully together. What Q
What
and
if
Carl
no? What if
front court
nag-abot
looks like.
sila?
Di ba? What
Interesting
if
yung dynamic na yun makita.
interesting yun.
Interesting
Bagay,
makita.
actually bagay yung ano nila eh. Bagay sila magkakampi. Totoo. And
Yeah.
ano lang no, siguro let's clarify lang for our listeners who about regarding the citizenship rules ng FIBA no. So
Oo.
it used to be na simple lang yung rules na basta natural born citizen ka, kung ano yung sinasabi ng batas nyo na natural born ka,
Mm-mm.
yun ka na. So kung isa lang ang room for naturalized player, kasi sa atin sa Pilipinas under the Philippine Constitution, basta isa dun sa dalawang parents mo ay Filipino citizen, considered Filipino ka na natural born. That
Who's
used to be the rule.
sanguinis?
Yes, yung sanguinis. Yun, however, biglang nagkaroon ng hagop rule na biglang sinasabi nila, hindi enough na natural born ka under your country's laws para ma-consider ka na natural born player nung bansa na yun. So now you have to present a passport that you were able to obtain a passport from that country before the age of 16. So as far as we know, QMB was able to present no and he was able to get that
Mhm.
ruling. Kasi there's another pathway, yung pathway niya na I think sina Jamie Malonzo to no and sina
Greg Slaughter.
sina Newsom, yan Greg Slaughter na they had to play for a certain number of years to be considered na parang
Actually,
part of sila ng
residency.
basketball culture.
Kailangan may residency ka sa Pilipinas for 10
Yes.
years, if I remember correctly. So,
Yes.
in the future, we might see Ange Kwame as as local na. Play as a local.
Natural.
Kasi,
Yeah.
if I remember correctly, andito siya since 2016. So,
Yes.
next year, na siya, 10th year na niya. So
yeah,
what does this mean for our Gilas? Lumaki yung Gilas natin.
Yeah.
No, since malaki na yung, we have the front court already taken care of by locals. Yung
Totoo.
natin, yung naturalized player natin, we can look for more of a guard type of player na
yes,
i-naturalize someone like siguro perhaps Jordan Clarkson kung available siya, or other NBA Phil-Ams, tama, mga half-breeds.
Or baka magbago yung isip ni Dylan Harper.
Yung mga ganon, the Harpers.
And now that we do have a template case na personally nilakad ni Q, meron nila ng contact number ng mga lawyers na yan. Baka si Save.
Right. Sa lawyers.
Oo.
Ang husay, no?
Wait, kunin na siya ng SVP mismo.
Oh,
effort bang SVP? Talaga ba?
What are you waiting for?
Tama.
Hello, kaway-kaway. Save. Kahit lang, kahit tawag dito, kahit share ng notes lang with the lawyers.
Paturo po mga master.
Kita mo talaga kung gaano kagusto talaga ni Q maglaro for the country, no. Malamang out of his own pocket pa yung expenses in appealing the decision of him just being a naturalized player, you know. So, thank you, Q, for, alam mo yon, pursuing this. And I feel like, obviously, somebody, in God's good graces, alam mo, being a very, very good person, I think you were blessed specifically to be given this opportunity. And looking forward talaga to see you play. If ever you're part of the pool already this December 1, I think, versus Guam, I'll be there. I'll watch.
Makikipagpatayan tayo sa tickets nin.
Yes. You will see a big UP contingent over there.
Correct. Kami na bahala sa drums. Uy, sabay ng UAAP yan. Hindi pa tapos ang UAAP by
Ay,
that time.
nga.
Sarap, dami natin papanood. Pa-Final Four na yan around that time.
Actually,
November.
nasa Final Four.
syempre we'll be busy that time, di ba?
Tapos Christmas rush kaya traffic na naman sa MOA Arena.
Correct. Paskuhan na ng totoo.
Ay, may.
Holy shit.
Well, regarding Q's career pala personally, no, this actually does open up a lot of avenues for Q's career as well. Kasi
Yeah.
sa Japan B-League, ang rule nila for the Asian player quota is that you have to be eligible as a natural born player for your national team no in Asia. So now that he's considered as a natural born player for the Philippines, pwede na siya mag-qualify for Japan B-League. So actually,
Pwede.
Francis Lopez might not be the only and James Spencer the only fighting Marines over there. So baka malay nyo mag-travel kayo in Japan in the future and
Yeah.
You know.
Exciting. Hindi lang siya talaga
Great
pwede
one
sa
also.
KBL kasi yung iba yung eligibility rules ng KBL.
weird yun. Kailangan pure-blooded Pinoy ka.
Oo.
That's, I don't know, racial purity rule.
What?
Just saying, real talk.
What?
So marami tayong chances to get to watch the Gilas team this December if ever, and then SEA Games is also coming in December. We might have a different set of players then, but who knows if ever we can get to see Q also participate in that particular tournament also. And then I think the next one will be in February where we'll get to play again, I think New Zealand and Australia
Oh my
back to back.
Oh my God.
So those are
Group of
another
death.
opportunities
Yeah, daw.
perhaps. Yes. To get back at
Nakakatuwa,
them.
Si Tim Cone na mismo nagsabi na, di ba, usually hindi ayaw niyang palitan yung
Hindi siya
yung
nagbabudge
lineup.
dun sa
Now he's willing to adjust
preferences niya.
para lang ma-accommodate si Q. Now that meron tong niyanig talaga ng development na to ng yung lineup. So we're looking forward na yun.
Hindi talaga siya nagbabudge dati, no?
Pakiramdam ko half-assed effort yung ginawa ng SBP sa pag-appeal kay Q Kaya
Atek.
Actually.
Ngayong nagawa ng paraan ni Q, o di ba? Para lang babawi. Margo de Consensya.
Let's
yun.
take this win kasi after all, they said it was a welcome development So okay na rin, di ba? Happy.
It was a gracious move naman.
Everyone. Yun. So,
agree. It would have been a bad agree ako kay Mark if they didn't welcome it graciously itong development na to, it would have reflected bad. So I think with okay lang na si Q na yung naglakad given na yun. The thing is if hindi Gilas, now that it has been handed to them on a silver platter without much effort, so kukunin na lang nila. So pag hindi nila kinuha, yun yung magiging but yun nga katulad
yun yung controversial.
Yun ang magiging controversial na nakahain na, di mo pa kinain.
Kaya nga,
tama.
What does Q bring ba to the table, di ba? He's a very very versatile player
Yes.
Mr. ROI nga,
very
diba?
Good defensively. Yeah, very good defensively, great rim protector. Ilan ang niya? Ilan yung sinupalpal niya specifically in the last season also. So maasahan siya when it comes to that one. And like what you guys said now that Kai is maybe out, maybe until February or maybe I'm not sure if in February baka nga July pa siya makabalik no. This will be a great opportunity for to be able to get Q's services. And may sinasabi na silang triple tower na with AJ Edu, Kai at saka Q. So something to look forward to obviously. This coming weeks and months specifically, if they get Q back to be able to play, I think to acclimate with the new system, yung sa kanyang yung system ni Tim Cone?
Triangle offense.
The triangle offense, diba? Parang di pa ako pinapanganak, nandiyan na yata itong system na yan. Joke lang! Coach, grabe na. So, we'll see.
Nabuta naman
I
na.
mean,
And
we
hindi
get to,
naman
we
mag-change
get
yun
to service
anytime
with young
soon eh.
players.
As long as si Team Con.
Oo.
Mm.
Totoo. Tama yung sinabi ni Robbie eh. Parang buti na lang talaga. Maganda yung reception ng Team Cone. So it's encouraging na
Oo.
in-acknowledge na yung development na yun. And as a matter of fact, may press release na yung SVP about it. So very encouraging signs.
Yeah.
Another development siguro, since nabanggit na natin kanina na yung 10-year residency rule, no, which might elevate a player to natural born status. Another possibility actually na baka eventually maipasok doon, Xavier Lucero. Imagine,
Yeah.
Oo nga eh. Pero
Dave. Pero matagal pa yata.
kailan siya nagsimula dito? 2022 siya,
2022.
'di ba?
Medyo
Oo.
Ibig sabihin before pa siguro 21 andito na siya
Yeah.
since
Yeah.
bubble era 'yon eh.
Bubble era, yeah.
So let's say 2021 ang
Totoo.
projected pa niya na na residency year ay until 2031.
Mm-mm.
Parang ano na yun.
Parang ang tagal
Past-
nun, 'di ba?
Ang tagal
Past
nga.
prime na 'yon.
Oh, shit. Past
Diba?
prime na yata.
Oo. Pero
Kaya-
as a pro ba or naglaro dapat sa Pilipinas?
Basta nasa Philippines.
Dapat nasa
regardless
Pilipinas
of
ka.
Okay.
yun. Regardless of
Nasa
years.
Pilipinas regardless. Okay.
Oh,
So
so
kaya si Ange
ayun
Kwame magsa-10 taon na.
yeah,
Okay.
kasi I think high school din.
Parang fourth, yeah,
High school
yung grade
na.
12.
Oo,
Yeah,
fourth
grade
year.
12.
Nag-high school siya
Tama.
dito tsaka college.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Oo. Well, alam mo 'yun pag pumasok sa season pagpasok ni Callum Harris sa atin ng season 88.
Ah!
Ay, so what you did there?
Oh, grabe kayo. Chismis yan ha.
Blip natin yan, blip natin.
Grabe naman yan.
Oh, bibig
Paano
natin
natin?
yun.
Palaki
Sino
natin.
sinabi ko? No,
Sino
no,
yun?
no, no. 17 na nga eh. Sisiksik pa tayo ng isa. Kaya, which, one thing that I like about this, ibig sabihin obviously, we will see more of Q in the Philippines. And if in any case, they're gonna be practicing heading towards those games for Guam here in the Philippines, he might be dropping by obviously with some of the UAAP games. So it'll be a welcome addition to the crowd and having Q there. And hopefully, 'di ba, since siya ang parang kuya mentor ng team din natin, especially for the bigs, it will be he may come in as an additional mentor and guide also for the team as we pursue that back-to-back championship. So see you at the games also, Q. Sana manood ka.
Yeah.
Very crucial time pa yung papasukan niya if ever. Kasi that would be around late second round pa, Final Four na nga. So,
Yeah.
just in time.
Oo. No, tapos do we see the UAAP season extending until January because of the scheduling
Oh,
conflicts
yeah.
and shit?
Because of
December.
Oh, yeah.
December lang naman yata ang from what I understand. Pero as in very late in December. As in
Yeah, baka
hindi
sumagad
kung-
na yun.
New Year?
Oo, yeah.
Ganun,
Bago magpaskuhan ng UST.
Bago magpaskuhan.
Well, yun naman ang team ng UST.
Since sila
Oo,
nag-host.
Yeah.
So, serious na Pasko.
So doon gagawin pala yung awarding. Wow,
Mm-mm.
sa Paskuhan.
Doon daw yung finals sa UST.
Sa QQ
Uy!
pa.
Hindi
UST.
na. May MOA Arena na, tsaka Araneta din.
Wag
So,
naman.
opening lang.
May
UST
takip,
nga yata ang
may
opening.
takip
natin.
yung ring dun eh. Hayop.
Oo.
Inyo ang malakas dun eh. Sa court na yun.
Oo. Sa
Oh.
court. Oo, tama.
And that ends our special episode for today. We hope to see all of you in the games. We hope to see Q in the games, in the coming games when he's available. And best of luck to Q. Best
Yeah.
of luck to our national team as well.
Congrats.
See you in a
Congrats.
FIBA
Congrats.
basketball court. And as always,
Yes.
UP fight.
So excited. Oo. Bakit sila
UP
nakablue?
five.
Dapat maroon. Charot. UP five!
Pabala, like,
Yeah.
share, and subscribe. Spotify,
Amen.
and YouTube.
YouTube.
See us at
And
the
we hope
game.
to see you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
So, yeah. Bye-bye.
Be fine.
Mm.